last year I went to Dragon Con for the first time, and it was... It was a blast. There was so much going on that even though I slept very minimally and was active in a lot of the cool stuff, I still missed 99% of what was happening. And that's not an exaggeration, because with 5 host hotels, each having a bunch of panels, there was a hotel or building for selling artist stuff, selling prints, selling creative stuff, selling resale stuff, selling games. There was so much. That's not even including the meeting the actors and getting your signatures, and there were various kind of dances and costumes. People were getting their costumes shot in all various locations. It was insane. And so last year was the first year that I went. Because I have epic friends, I was able to utilize them to help me and inspire me in creating some pretty cool costumes that then I was able to sport around Dragon Con. So the question is, why am I not cosplaying this year? If you've followed me for any length of time, you will see that over the years I have showed up in costume to a lot of different things, various conventions, the Renaissance Festival, now Dragon Con. Why then the shift? Despite how fun it is to dress up, just like anything in life, when you choose to spend 1 hour on one thing, that means that you are choosing to not spend an hour on another thing. And for me, this is a focus thing. The time that I would spend on making my costume, I had costumes lined up, I just didn't pull the trigger on making them happen. And it weighed on me, but what was I choosing to do instead? Work. And when I wasn't doing that, I was hanging out with my friends and family or reading, you know? So there are those compromises. And so it's a focus thing. What can I be doing instead of cosplaying for this convention? What can I be doing instead? Because, you know, Loki wearing the helmet, keeping track of the scepter. I left the scepter in the bathroom and I had to stop my Uber one night so I could run back and grab it. Like, okay, that's a lot of mental thought, because you know, it's not like you can just put that in a bag and you want to look epic, so you want to carry it around, but there's thought that goes into it. So what am I doing instead? I have decided that I want to make an epic Dragon Con video. Last year, when Chelsea and I spent 4 or 5 hours in the airport, we filmed a music video that was specifically an airport video, and that was, I mean, Dragon Con was awesome, but that was like one of the best times because we were just so in the flow in this creation that I want to apply that to this whole experience. And I don't think I would be able to do a video justice while having my focus divided on changing into my costumes, you know, it takes a lot of luggage to store costumes, and I now need that luggage for camera equipment. One of the things I've learned as I've grown older is that I am not efficient with my focus divided. I used to think that I'd be able to do it all. In the past, I could have said, yes, I can cosplay and I can make an epic video and I can enjoy my time and all of this stuff. And maybe that's true. Maybe I could make an epic video and look awesome cosplaying, but it would be at like the lowest level of showing up in each of those activities. And I don't know that I would fully enjoy or be engaged because my focus is so divided. Whereas if I only choose a few activities, then I can show up really highly in just those few activities. So if I'm choosing video and enjoying myself, then I'm going to show up high in both of these categories as opposed to video and cosplay and meeting this person and going to this event and doing this and this and this and, you know. No, there are no panels I need to go to. There is nobody I need to meet. I'm going to have fun and I'm going to make an epic video. And that is why I am not cosplaying this year at Dragon Con. If you are intrigued at all, I do plan on bringing my laptop and my camera to take pictures and video and be updating throughout the convention, you know, when I get home for the couple of hours that I'm gonna sleep. I'll plug my SD card in and edit a few things and post that. If there is anything else you want to know about Dragon Con, anything you want me to film or photograph, drop it down in the comments below. Keep your eyes out, and I will see you guys later. It's from sunny, warm Atlanta. Bye.
Two hours later.